All right, percentage of a whole. So we got two questions here. So the first one's really pretty straightforward, but everybody doesn't think that. So you make a $2,000 a month, and then what happens next is you get a 5% raise. 5% raise. Okay, so then what's your new total per month? Okay, so when you see something like this, you just got to multiply these two numbers together. So you have your 2,000, right? And so when you write 5% as a decimal, 0.05, make sure you don't do like 0.5 or just write it as 5, right? So 0.05 is 5 over 100, or 5%. When we multiply those together, we get 100, right? So 0.05 times 2,000 is 100. So that's my raise, right? I got a raise of $100 a month, or 5%. My new total, got to just add those two together, 2,100. Okay. So there's the first question. That was the more straightforward of the two. Hopefully it makes sense. Okay, second one. Okay, so we have this percentage change. Okay, so something was 175. Get some product that costs 175 bucks. Now it's 160. So it's on sale, right, or discount or something. And what they want to know is, what is the percentage change from something was 175, now it's 160. Okay, so like before, it's like, oh, this is a stupid question. Like if you have to do any sort of quarterly reports in business, or really any reports at all, right? And you want to see like, hey, 1 month I sold, a certain amount of goods, and then the next month I sold a certain amount, and they want to, your boss a lot of times, or your company wants to know, like, how are we doing? Are we showing increase or decrease with our sales? Like, is the stuff that we're doing working, or was the stuff we were doing last month working better? Do people like our new product? Questions like that. And so you need to know how to calculate this. All right, just owning a calculator won't be enough. You need to know how to plug this stuff in. Okay, so the formula is old minus new divided by old. Okay, so you just kind of have to know that formula. Old minus new divided by old. Okay, so then we just plug it in, right? The old number was 175 minus, now the number is 160, all divided by the old number of 175. Okay, so if we do that, then we're going to get, that's going to equal 175 minus 160 is 15, divided by 175. And that comes out to 0.085. Right? And so 0.08 is 8%, 8 over 100. And so this is 8.5%. And because then the second number went down, that's an 8.5% decrease. Okay, so those are a couple of fun examples on percentage of a whole. Hopefully it helped you out.